To check the Windows uptime of all computers or a single computers with the AD Pro Toolkit, come under Other Tools, select Windows Uptime, and then by default it'll run for the entire domain. Just click Run, and it'll go out to your Active Directory, scan all the computers, and show you the uptime, last boot time, and it'll also grab the description. If a computer's offline, you can see it's going to show you unable to connect. If you wanted to check a single computer, just click on Search, find the computer, select it, click Run, and it will show you the uptime for that single computer. You can also click Browse and browse and select a OU. Click Run, and then it'll scan the computers that's just in that OU. So that's how you quickly get the Windows uptime of all your computers, your workstations, servers, laptops. The computer will have to be online because it will connect and scan to grab this information. Once you have the report, you can come up here and click Export to export it to a CSV, Excel file, and a PDF. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.